Hi everybody, welcome to the Architecture Zero to Hero series. There are many videos on YouTube, and then you can also find many blogs where some programming languages are explained, and you will also find quite some materials that are explaining some architecture concepts. My problem usually with these were that I did not really find such videos that would kind of wrap it up and then connect the dots, but there were some islands of knowledge, and then it was really hard to understand that when something was uh, useful for me or actually it is just some theoretical thing. Uh, in this video, I try to connect the dots, and then I would like to show you how I personally improve my knowledge, and then I can show you the milestones I have passed in this journey. Hopefully after this video series your textbook definitions will start to make more sense, and then you will be able to apply them. I I summarized here in this slide the milestones I think were quite crucial in my understanding, and these milestones are really specific to me. How I came to these milestones. First, when I started with software development, I time to time and run into some walls when my code design or my code organization felt quite bulky and not elegant. And then I had the feeling that something essential is missing here, but I did not really know how to go on. And finally, I found some other sources or some inspirations from colleagues, and then it helped me to go to the next level. What I put here in this video series, these are not my ideas. These are decades of experience from really excellent software engineers. And if I may quote here the famous Newton saying, if I have seen further, it is by standing on shoulders of giants. Then I have to say it a bit different. All I have seen is by standing on shoulders of giants. So basically, there is nothing new here. It is just presented in a different way, and then I'm trying to fill up the gaps here. The My contribution here is basically we will go through these steps. So the monolithic approach, encapsulation, dependency injection, dependency inversion, layered architecture, and strategic architecture. I don't recommend just go and binge watch all these videos in this series because it is a very dense material, and then I'm just trying to give you a hint. I'm not going into very deep details and then making live sessions. Maybe in further videos in the future we can also do something like that, but at the moment it is not the goal. So the goal is that first you try to evaluate in which level you are or at or what milestones you are at, and then you try to figure out what could be the next step if you want to follow my path here. So how we try to organize the series. There is an example. This example is going to follow us in this video series, and the idea here is that we have a beauty filter. So we want to make a camera app that is applying this beautiful filter. We will use some UML notations. We will have class design, library deployment, and we will analyze the solutions. What were the pros? What were the cons? And then based on the disadvantages, we try to figure out what is the missing point and why we couldn't take it into the next level, and then how to take it to the next level. Thank you, and then let's begin.